Greetings, class. Welcome back to some more CSS cascading style sheets tutorials. So it was brought to my attention that I didn't go all the way to the last part of this tutorial. So for the apples bananas challenges, I did step 1, I did not show step 2. So here's the end of step 1. I'm going to add this to the assignment on Google Classroom for those of you who need the part 2. So I am going to continue where we left off in the last video, click on the next step and do what they want us to do for the next step. So it says here, the final line of the song has no classes on the strong tags. Add the apples class to the first strong in that line and the bananas class to the second strong. Okay, so what they're talking about is this last line right here didn't have the class ID on it for colors. So we need to go fix that. So way down here on these strong tags, we have to actually add those classes. So what we can do is actually, let's see if this is true. Control C to copy, and I'm going to put in the class right here after strong. Space. And let's do the bananas. Control C to the banana section. Space, Control V. Hey, now all of these tags are working properly because they omitted the last ones just to trick you. We had to put in those classes for the last couple lines as well. So we just used the same class, apples, and then the other class for bananas. It accesses the same colors because the CSS in between the style tags up here just tells the browser that anything in the class apples should be blue and anything in the class bananas should be pink. So that is good. I'll finish the challenge and I might as well show you how to save this again. So we're going to do the spin off. We're going to put our first name, last initial if you need to, press save, and it's going to come up with this screen, and you know you've done it correctly when you see your name here and when you see your name here, created by you. And then you want to click share and then highlight and triple click this, Control C to copy, and then we'll go to Google Classroom and let's get me out of the way there. I'm going to log into my student one and show you how to turn it in to the new version of this assignment because now we have to have 3 challenges instead of 2. So on the CSS we've added the third one, which is apples and bananas. Seasonal IDs, colorful creatures, seasonal IDs, and apples and bananas. So I'm going to view this assignment. I'm going to add, I'm going to do my links. So this is for the apples and bananas. I might as well go back and get the other 2. So if this is something where you need to back up and actually turn stuff in, you can still do that. So you go back here, you do the spin off, and it will save your work. So this is for the second one. So again, I'm looking for, if this is the seasonal ID, I've got my name there, got my name there. I'm going to share, triple click to get the whole thing, Control C, going back to here. I'm going to add that link, and then I need the third one, which is the first exercise we did, which was colorful creature. So I'll go back and get colorful creature, which is over here. So there's the challenge. Okay, do the spin off, put my name, and save one more time. It'll load, and my name's there. That's good. My name's there. That's good. So that when my brilliant teacher sees it, he knows it's my work and not someone else's. Going back to Google Classroom, put in the third link, Control V to paste, and now I've got all 3 challenges for Coding CSS Part 1. Part 2 is going to be the travel page, which we'll go over in a little bit. So I'm going to just click turn in. I got all 3, click turn in again, and we're good to go. Okay, so that's the supplement to the CSS coding Hope that helps some of you clarify some things, and I will add this to the assignment. See you back in class.